Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Chill Talk English. I'm Henry.
And I'm Emma. Over the past 3 episodes, we've learned how to use going to for future plans, will for decisions and offers, and want to, would like to for expressing desires.
That's right. We've covered structures like, I am going to visit my family next week. I will help you with that. And I would like to try that restaurant.
Today, we're moving on to our final scene, Scene 4, where we'll explore making future plans with others.
Have you ever wanted to make plans with friends or colleagues but weren't sure how to suggest, agree, or arrange activities in English?
Whether you're planning a weekend activity, a business meeting, or a social event, knowing how to coordinate with others is essential. The phrases we use to make plans can determine whether our ideas are accepted and how smoothly our arrangements go.
By learning these planning phrases correctly, you'll be able to coordinate with others in both casual and professional situations.
So why should you listen to today's episode? First, you'll learn to suggest plans confidently using phrases like, "Do you want to?"
Second, you'll master polite responses to suggestions, both positive and negative.
And third, you'll learn how to make definite plans with phrases like, "Let's meet at 7 p.m."
These skills will help you in everyday social situations, from casual hangouts to formal appointments.
Learning English is like building a house, one phrase at a time.
Today, we're adding the social planning phrases to your English language house.
With these phrases, you can go from confusion to clear communication about making plans with others.
I remember when I first moved to a new city, I wanted to make friends but didn't know how to suggest meeting up.
Oh no, did that make it difficult for you to socialize?
Very. I would just stand there awkwardly instead of using phrases like, would you like to get coffee sometime?
That's why learning planning phrases is so important for building relationships in new environments.
Now I can help others who might feel shy about making plans with English speakers.
I had a friend who missed out on great opportunities because he couldn't make plans properly in English.
Was that difficult for him?
Very. He didn't know how to say, "Does Saturday work for you?" when someone suggested meeting. He just said yes without confirming the time.
That's exactly why we're creating this final scene today, to help people like him make clear plans with others.
Today, we'll focus on using specific phrases for suggesting plans, responding to suggestions, and making definite arrangements.
We'll show you the structures and provide plenty of examples for each situation.
Each section will have guided practice, role plays, and quizzes to help you remember.
We'll make it fun and easy so you can use these phrases in real-life social situations.
At the end, we have a quick quiz to test what you've learned.
Plus, we'll give you a challenge to practice using these planning phrases. Make sure to listen carefully for our quick quiz at the end of this scene.
It's a fun way to check how much you've learned about making plans with others.
If you enjoy today's episode, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That helps more people find Chill Talk English and learn with us. You can also share this episode with friends who want to improve their English.
Let's get started with our final scene, Scene 4.
Scene 4. Making future plans with others, guided response.
Welcome to our final scene. We're learning about making future plans with others.
When making plans with friends, family, or colleagues, we use specific phrases to suggest, agree, and arrange activities.
Let's start with suggesting plans.
Do you want to, or would you like to?
For example,
Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
or
Would you like to have dinner together this weekend?
for responding to suggestions.
I'd love to, for positive responses.
That sounds great for positive responses.
I'm sorry, I can't, for declining politely.
Maybe another time for declining politely. For making definite plans.
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
How about Saturday at 3 p.m.?
Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
No, I'm busy then. How about,
Let's practice some more examples.
do you want to go shopping this afternoon?
I'd love to. What time should we meet?
Would you like to try the new cafe downtown?
That sounds great. When should we go?
Let's have a picnic in the park on Sunday.
I'd love to. Should we bring anything?
How about watching a movie at my place tonight?
That sounds great. What time should I come?
Remember to be polite and clear when making plans with others.
Excellent. These phrases will help you make plans with others in many situations.
Let's move on to some role plays to see how these phrases work in real conversations.
Role play. Now let's practice with a role play. I'll be David and Anna will be Anna.
Hi, David. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I'm good. How about you?
I'm great. Do you want to go to the movies this weekend?
That sounds fun. What movie would you like to see?
I'd love to see the new action movie. Would you like to go with me?
Sure, I'd love to. When should we go?
How about Saturday evening? Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 7 p.m. at the cinema entrance.
Perfect. Should we get dinner before the movie?
That's a great idea. There's a new Italian restaurant near the cinema.
I've been wanting to try that place. Do you want to make a reservation?
Yes, let's do that. I'll call them right now.
Great. I'll buy the movie tickets online.
Wonderful. This is going to be a fun weekend.
I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks for suggesting this.
Me too. It's always more fun with friends.
Absolutely. See you on Saturday then.
See you. I'll text you the restaurant details.
Great job with the role plays. Now, let's move on.
It's time for some shadowing practice, where you can repeat the phrases after us.
Shadowing practice. Now it's your turn. I'll say a phrase, and you repeat after me. Remember to copy my pronunciation and intonation. We'll begin slowly, then gradually increase the speed.
Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
Would you like to have dinner together this weekend?
Would you like to have dinner together this weekend?
I'd love to.
I'd love to.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
I'm sorry, I can't.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
How about Saturday at 3 p.m.?
How about Saturday at 3 p.m.?
Does that work for you?
Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Yes, that works for me.
No, I'm busy then. How about?
No, I'm busy then. How about?
Great work. This time, try saying it faster. Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
Would you like to have dinner together this weekend?
Would you like to have dinner together this weekend?
I'd love to.
I'd love to.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
I'm sorry, I can't.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Maybe another time.
Maybe another time.
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
How about Saturday at 3 p.m.?
How about Saturday at 3 p.m.?
Does that work for you?
Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Yes, that works for me.
No, I'm busy then. How about?
No, I'm busy then. How about?
Wonderful. You're doing great with pronunciation. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more confident you'll become.
That's right. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning. The important thing is to keep trying. You're doing great.
Now, let's move on to the comprehension check. Let's check your understanding. Answer true or false.
Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
Is a way to suggest a plan? True.
I'd love to is a negative response to a suggestion.
False. It's a positive response.
Does that work for you is asking about someone's availability.
True.
Now, let's move on to the vocabulary and phrase breakdown. We'll go over some important words and phrases from this scene.
Suggest. To propose an idea or plan. Example, I suggest we go to the park this weekend.
Arrange. To organize or plan something. Example, let's arrange a time to meet.
Confirm. To make sure something is definite. Example, can you confirm you'll be there at 7 p.m.?
Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz.
We'll ask you some questions about making future plans with others. Listen carefully and choose the best answer. Ready? Let's start.
Question 1. How do you suggest going to the movies tonight?
Options. A. Let's go to the movies tonight.
B. Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
C. I want to go to the movies tonight.
Answer. B. Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
Question 2. Which is a positive response to a suggestion?
Options: A. I'm sorry, I can't.
B. Maybe another time.
C. I'd love to.
Pause 2 seconds.
Answer: C. I'd love to. Question 3. How do you ask if a time works for someone?
Options: A. What time should we meet?
B. Does that time work for you?
C. Let's meet at 7 p.m.
Pause 2 seconds. Answer: B. Does that time work for you?
Question 4. Which phrase is used to decline a suggestion politely?
Options: A. That sounds great.
B. I'd love to.
C. Maybe another time.
Pause 2 seconds.
Answer: C. Maybe another time. Question 5. How do you make a definite plan?
Options: A. Do you want to go?
B. Let's meet at 7 p.m.
C. I'm not sure yet.
Pause 2 seconds. Answer: B. Let's meet at 7 p.m. Great work, everyone! Let's do a quick recap of what we learned in Scene 4, Making Future Plans with Others.
You practiced some useful phrases, like, do you want to go to the movies tonight?
I'd love to.
Let's meet at 7 p.m.
We also did role plays, shadowing practice, a comprehension check, and a quick quiz to make sure you understood everything.
Remember, use do you want to or would you like to suggest plans, and use positive or negative responses accordingly.
When making definite plans, use phrases like let's meet at and does that work for you?
Excellent job with this scene. You're already making future plans with others like a pro.
Wow, we've covered a lot today about talking about making future plans with others.
That's right. We've learned 4 important ways to talk about the future.
First episode, we learned going to for future plans and intentions.
Second episode, we practiced will for future decisions and offers.
Third episode, we learned want to and would like to for expressing desires.
And today, final episode, we covered phrases for making future plans with others.
Together, these 4 approaches give you a complete toolkit for discussing future events in English.
We hope you feel more confident suggesting plans, responding to invitations, and making arrangements.
When making definite plans, use phrases like let's meet at and does that work for you?
Excellent job with this scene. You're already making future plans with others like a pro.
Wow, we've covered a lot today about talking about making future plans with others.
That's right. We've learned 4 important ways to talk about the future.
First episode, we learned going to for future plans and intentions.
Second episode, we practiced will for future decisions and offers.
Third episode, we learned want to and would like to for expressing desires.
And today, final episode, we covered phrases for making future plans with others.
Together, these 4 approaches give you a complete toolkit for discussing future events in English.
We hope you feel more confident suggesting plans, responding to invitations, and making arrangements.
Excellent job with this scene. You're already making future plans with others like a pro.
Wow, we've covered a lot today about talking about making future plans with others.
That's right. We've learned 4 important ways to talk about the future.
First episode, we learned going to for future plans and intentions.
Second episode, we practiced will for future decisions and offers.
Third episode, we learned want to and would like to for expressing desires.
And today, final episode, we covered phrases for making future plans with others.
Together, these 4 approaches give you a complete toolkit for discussing future events in English.
We hope you feel more confident suggesting plans, responding to invitations, and making arrangements.
Remember, language learning takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself and keep using these phrases in real conversations.
In our next episode, we'll be starting a new mini-series on English for workplace communication.
We'll cover everything from making professional requests to participating in meetings and giving presentations.
Get ready to level up your business English with Chill Talk English.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing and keep talking. Bye, everyone.